Yes, brother, how are you?
I am fine, sir. Now everything I think will be okay.
Yeah, everything okay. No issue from your side, brother. Okay, my name is Muhammad Kashir Jama. I'm working in Saudi Arabia as a safety officer. I'm going to take your interview for the position of HSC officer.
Okay,
Are you
sir.
comfortable?
Yes, sir. I am well comfortable.
Okay. Let me know about yourself first.
Sir, I am Rahatullah. I am a 26-year-old. I am from basically from Charsadda, Pakistan. I hold a bachelor degree in computer science. Also, I have done 3-year mechanical diploma in mechanical technology. After that,
Okay.
also I have done NEBOSH IGC occupation in occupational health and safety. And that after that I moved to Saudi Arabia, and now I am as a safety officer working here.
Okay. How many years you have experience
Sir, I have 1 year experience.
in this field?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. Okay, first let me know about what is safety.
Sir, safety, it is a event, it is a condition which you feel a freedom from hazards, from risk, from injury, that you are safe. So it is a basically absence from hazards.
Yeah. What is accident?
Sir, it is accident is an unwanted event which happened which happened to cause harm, injury, or even to death.
You know the classification of accident?
Yes, sir. The classification of accident is first of all near miss. Also, we have medical treatment case. Also,
Okay.
we have restricted to work case.
Yes. Okay.
We have three type. We have four type of accident: near miss, MTR,
Yes.
and what one I said like restricted
Yes.
from the work, and the fourth I forgot which
First aid case.
first aid case. Yes,
First, you can say LTI, lost time injury, not near miss.
yes, time injury. Yes, sir.
Okay. And one last is the first aid case. Okay. What is LTI? Lost time injury.
LTI, sir, it is a last time injury. It is a accident classification
Yes.
by LTI. There is a scenario if a person injured in a workplace and
Yes.
he absence due cause of that injury.
Yeah.
If he not came to the work for 3 days, so it
One
will be
day in the
LTI.
shift, if he not come in the shift also, that
Mm.
we consider LTI, lost time injury.
Yes, sir.
One
Yes.
day, even he
One day.
not come back on that same the shift, that we call also LTI, lost time injury.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is work method statement? WMS.
Sir, WMS, it is a written document between the contractor and the client. And during
Yes.
work method statement, there is a lot of everything will discussed with contractor and the worker, that how the work the contract that they signed, that how they
Yeah.
will be happen according to the standard, and A to Z there is all thing mentioned over there.
Okay. Mention there how we do this job, what we are doing
Yeah.
here, and what we take that
Yes.
precaution against this job, what we will provide to our employee, our worker. Everything mentioned there, no? Our
According to the
facility.
standard, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let me know about the restricted work case.
Restricted workers.
Yes. Restricted work case.
Yeah,
RWC.
restricted work is this is also a classification of incident or accident.
Okay.
For example, if a person injured in a workplace area and he may be restricted for some hours due to perform their job, so that is called restricted work
Okay.
case.
What is radiography?
So radiography, it is actually X-ray. It
Yes.
is actually rays which we use during work.
For what purpose?
Sir, for mostly for we use for welding.
Testing of joints and the
Yes, testing
strength
of
of
joints.
pipe, any holes, any ashes inside of that pipe or any spool, we check any defective. according to that X-ray result.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mostly.
Okay, that we call radiographic test. Okay, how many types of radiation?
How many type of radiation?
Yes,
I don't know about it, sir.
there are two types of radiation: ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation.
Okay, sir.
Ionizing radiation, that we call that heavy particles of radioactive source like alpha, beta, gamma. Non-ionizing radiation, everywhere we can found in the torch, in the laser lights, okay, in the oven, everywhere that we can find that non-ionizing radiation. There are two types we consider. So what is the precaution method for the radiographic test?
Sir, the precaution method of first there will be a special safety officer we called as a radiography officer, and he will also cover the radius of that radiography that can affect. So he will also barricade that area, and also first of all permit and PPs, all of these things, sir.
Okay. We have need any equipment for this activity for the measuring of radioactive source? Yes. Which type of equipment?
Sir, well, frankly speaking, I did not do radiography activity yet. So,
Geiger meter. We are using geiger meter to measure the radioactive source. Yes. We have need to barricade the area with the black and yellow tape. We have put the flashlight also. We have removed all the unauthorized person from that area. Okay. We check that from with the geiger meter. 2 milliram radiation source should be from that barricade area. Which area we covered after that barricade should be only 2 milliram we consider. After we have need to move the barricade extra area. Okay, we have need to film batch there. Film batch we have using for that any employee doing that job, and how much he taking the radiation source in the QE we measure from that film batch. Okay, every month we checking if he extra taking the dose after we have restricted and we have taken the extra measure for that employee. Okay, that we call the field batch. We have taken that something extra for that radiation safety. Okay. No issue. What is HSC policy?
Sir, HSC policy it is a commitment of the client or the organization between to the health and safety, and it is organized by any organization before starting the company or the job. So by in the HSC policy, several things in mention that how the standard will follow, and how our work will be happen as according to the standard, and we will also follow all health and safety measurements.
Commitment to improve the HSC environment. No.
Environment, yes, sir.
We provide commitment in the HSC. We will provide that good and health work environment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is the precaution taking for that lifting activity, mechanical lifting activity?
Yeah, sir, for mechanical lifting activity, there is a lot of things we have to ensure. First of all, lifting plan is mandatory. Also, work permit is mandatory, and also there will be rigor also present, and we have to also check
certified the rigor. We can call the certified rigor. Should be TUV. Every rigor should be TUV. Okay.
Yes, sir. Also, the crane is in good condition. Operating well trained should be there, and yes, sir. Also, the barricade and signs, warning signs.
We have need to check the crane condition, hydraulic leakage, third-party inspection of the crane, third-party inspection of that ceiling. We have need to check the ground condition, soil condition, outrigger condition, ceiling condition, safety latch also, SLI working or not. We have need to check also safe load indicator we can call. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That point as a safety officer we have need to consider also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a scaffolding?
Sir, scaffolding is a temporary structure to support the worker or the equipment to perform a job.
And types of scaffolding?
Sir, we have different type of scaffolding, dependent scaffolding, independent scaffolding, also tower scaffolding, mobile scaffolding, floating scaffolding, railroad. Sorry, railroad that was lifting. So we have different type of scaffolding, sir.
What is the components of a scaffolding?
Well, sir, from bottom to top, first there is a sole board, also base plate, also ledgers, standards, bracing. There is also transom, also there is different type of couplers and tie board, and then there is coming top rail, mid rail, and guardrails. Yes, sir.
What is JSA?
JSA, sir, it is a job safety analysis. It is a step-by-step analysis to determine a job safely.
Okay. What is the steps of JSA?
Sir, there is a few steps. First of all, select the job which to be done, and also divide that job into the steps, and
Yeah.
also identify the hazards in
Yeah.
each steps, and also there is a decide the precautions, and at the end implement that precautions.
That is good. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How we calculate the safe man hours?
Sir, we calculate the safe man hours by 8 hours. Like if there is a if there is a 10 person who's working, and if they work, sir, we calculate for day and night also 8 hours, and then we will calculate how many person in the site.
Yeah,
Then
that same company, if that same company or contractor, if he doing that job, single job in the 2 period, they will calculate both. Means 24 hours we can calculate.
yeah, 24 hours.
If any contractor working in the day only 8 hour shift or 12 hour shift, he will calculate only 8 hours or 12 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me the formula of safe man hour.
Sir, so this is they will count all of each person's if there is a for us 100 person working, so they will they will multiply 100 by 12 or 100 by 8 each as per the company working area. So the result will be
Total number of employee multiple total hours work multiple works day. How many days he work? After
Yes.
we will get that safe man hours. Okay.
Yeah.
How
Yes,
can we
yes.
calculate the percentage load capacity of crane? Safe percentage load
percentage?
capacity. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is a load movement indicator. There is some capacity. If the 75% is the safe load capacity of the crane. So this we will count by the load movement indicator.
But how we calculate 75% or 80%, 85%? How we get that number?
Sir, we from the load chart we count.
But there is a formula. We have
Yes, sir.
need to know about that hood block weight, all that accessories, lifting tools and tackle, plus material weights by safe workload. What we consider on that areas, multiple 100. After we will get that percentage load capacity.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. What is fire?
Sir, fire, it is a chemical reaction between three elements, heat, fuel, and oxygen.
Okay. And classification of fire?
Sir, classification of fire, sir, we have first of all a combustible material. We have also
how many class? Tell me first class name.
Sir, A, B, C, D, and K.
Okay.
Like 5. Yes, sir.
Now,
sir, A for combustible.
Yes.
B for oil, like liquid, and also C for electrical, D for metal, and K for kitchen fire, sir.
Okay. Which type of extinguisher we will use on liquid fire?
Liquid fire.
Yes.
Sir, for liquid fire, we use also type B, dry powder.
And what is the special for liquid fire?
Sir,
special fire extinguisher?
wet chemical. Wet chemical.
No wet chemical. That is the foam
Oh,
types.
yes, sir. Foam
Foam
type.
type. Yes.
Yeah, foam type is the most effective. Yes, sir.
Okay. And which type of extinguisher we will use on electrical fire?
Sir, CO2 is more effective, and we can also use dry powder, but CO2 is more effective.
Yes. What is the color code of CO2 extinguisher?
Sir, that is black, sir.
Okay. How can we prevent any fire easily? What is the preventing measure of fire?
Sir, we have three things that cooling, smoothing, and starving.
Starvation.
Starvation, yes.
Okay. Okay. What is excavation?
Sir, it is a excavation by making a hole or digging in the ground is called excavation. Then we have two type of excavation: manual excavation and mechanical excavation.
Okay. What is work permit system?
Sir, it is a written, documented approval by any authority or organization to perform a job according to the safety standards and precautions.
Okay. Types of work permit system.
Sir, in the Aramco there is a four type of work permit system: hard work permit, cool work permit, confined space, and excavation and line opening.
Okay.
And
That
other,
is good. That is,
yes.
yes. Okay. What is confined space activity?
Confined space.
Yes.
Yeah, sir, confined space, it is a space where the entry and the exit are limited, and where workers are not compatible to perform a job, and this is called confined space. Also, we have different type of confined spaces like tanks, vessels. Also, we have pipes, and we have also 1.8 meter above excavation is also considering as a confined space.
Okay. What is the main hazards we can find inside the confined space?
Sir, the main hazard is to deficiency of oxygen, enrichment of oxygens, presence of toxic gases, presence of flammable gases, presence of H2S, and also heat, stress, and poor lighting, poor ventilations.
What is the precaution method for the confined space activity?
Sir, first of all, the precaution method of in the confined space, we have to valid work permit, and also we have a ventilation plan, and
Okay.
also we have a rescue plan,
Yes.
and we have a gas test before enter the confined space. Then we have some limitation that the normal limitation of the different gases. Like for example, oxygen should be 19.5 and 23.5. Like 20.5, 20.8 is the normal
Yes.
oxygen level should be there.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And also H2S also should be 0.
All that toxic and flammable gas should be zero. No.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes.
Dog seat we have maintained also. We have need to check the lotto system they are provided or not.
Yes, sir. Also standby
Okay.
man should be also there.
Blind list we have need to check also. Statement man should be there available. For the emergency calling, there should be walkie-talkie or air horn. We have need to provide. Emergency
Yes.
equipment also should be there. Escava, retrieval set for the emergency rescue. Retrieval set. You know the retrieval set?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look like the tripod. For that emergency rescue, we have need to use the retrieval set.
Yes, sir. Yes. Somehow there is also main basket should be available, but as per rescue plan, all things should be there.
Yes, yes. Okay, we have need to check all that. Okay, what is H2S?
Sir, H2S, it is a highly toxic and flammable gases, and this is like a rotten. It smells like rotten egg, and
Yes.
it is non viewable, like non. We can't see it.
What is the properties of H2S?
Sir, what does it mean, property, sir?
Yeah, properties of H2S. Like what is the LEL, UEL,
Yeah.
STLV, and properties like that is the rotten egg smell, colorless, odorless, heavier than air. We can call this the properties.
Sir, we have some limitation of the H2S. That what I can tell you.
Yeah, yeah.
We have the up to 10 ppm. Before the 10 ppm, under the 10 ppm is acceptable to working perform a job. And also if there is a 10 to 15, so this will be come a short term exposure limit, that in short we can say STEL, STEL, short term exposure limit. So this
Yes,
will
okay.
become in the STEL. And if there is a 100 ppm H2S, so that will become in IDLH, immediate dangerous life into health.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let
Then we
me
have
know about that 5 toxic gas what we find in the petrochemical refinery of oil and gas. 5 toxic gas name. Toxic
sir.
or flammable, any not sure.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, H2S.
Okay.
Second is CO.
Okay.
And third is methane.
Okay.
And also fourth is we can consider oxygen too, sir.
No, oxygen, this is not.
Oxygen is not toxic, it's flammable. Sir, I count only three, sir.
And H2S, NH3, ammonia, also Cl2 chlorine, CO carbon monoxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide. You call methane, benzene, also C6H6. That we
Yes.
always find in the any petrochemical or oil and gas industry.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what is the first aid method of H2S? Any our employee exposed with the H2S, what we will do for the taken first aid?
Sir, I don't know about it.
Okay. First, we have need to remove in the free area. We will do the luge, all that cloth.
Okay.
After we will check its condition is like okay or not okay. Okay.
Okay.
If we have need to give him CPR, we will give him the CPR. Okay. First, we have need to call the emergency number.
Yeah, yes, sir.
We inform him after we taking care of that first aid. Okay.
Okay, sir. Right.
Okay. What is NFPA?
Sir, it is a National Fire Protection Organization Association.
Okay.
Sir, it is for mostly chemical products.
Okay.
There is different color coding, like blue for health and red for fire, also white for reactively, and
Okay.
one we have yellow. Yes, sir.
What is the responsibility of safety officer?
Yes, sir. Safety, as a safety officer, sir, my responsibility is first we have to check the valid work permits before starting the job. Also, conduct TBT before the performing the job, and also housekeeping. Ensure housekeeping. Also, we have to report of the incidents. Also conduct weekly, monthly training, and also yes, sir. These all things we have to ensure.
Okay. How can we calculate LTI rate, lost time injury rate?
Sir, we discussed it before, sir.
Now we discussed before safe man hours.
I don't know it, sir. I don't know.
Lost time injury, how much reported in working period? How much number of injury reported in working period? Multiple 1 million by safe man hours. After we will get that LTI number, lost time injury.
Okay.
Okay, you have good knowledge about that safety. You read
Yes.
very well.
Thank you.
And you have only 1 year experience. This is also more effectively because only 1 year experience and you touch all that question what I am asking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have need to only check some of the topics, and you have need to learn about the some of the topic deeply. What we are doing inside that petrochemical and oil and gas field. You have need to touch every time on the topic, because we are safety officer. Every time we have need to read all that question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If we will not touch every time all that question, we forget. Well, there is
Yes, sir.
lots of topic and lots of job under us. We have taken care all about the job, what going on at the site, like the civil work, like the mechanical work. We have need to take care of the painting work. We have need to take care about that lifting job activity. Okay, there are the
Yes.
hydro testing job. There is a gas cutting job, welding job, hot work job. There is lots of job. We have need to time touch all that question, hazards and precaution related to all the jobs for
Yes, sir.
the
Truly right.
refreshment. Okay, you have good
Yes.
knowledge related to, sir. Try for the best and try for the best company also. You can get the easily job, any job. Okay,
Sir,
you have
as a
mentioned. Yeah, yeah.
viewer, I was doing hard to give interview before 2 months ago, but
Yeah.
then I did not get your number, so that's why after that I went to the Kemia shutdown project. So in the December 1st, I have done that and shutdown.
Yeah, yeah.
So now I am
Shutdown
free
also.
here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. In the Kemia, yes, I have experience as a safety officer in the Kemia. Right now I'm here in the Jubail, but
Okay.
I am just a few things give you to your viewers that from everywhere from during all the world the viewers will see the video you will upload. So first of all, as a safety officer, if there are newcomers coming, so
Yes,
they
yes.
have to ensure, sir, do their negotiation by self. This is very
Yes.
important. You know,
Yeah.
people are doing
Lots of students coming for that interview. I asking about that Nibos. He did not about that Nibos. What is the Nibos and elements of Nibos? Also, he did not know about that.
yes, sir. This is what question I have mainly they are asking now, that what are the elements and how you done your negotiation from which institute, but
Yeah, yeah.
mostly you guys have old Nibosh and they did not even know that things. And after that, if a person they do Nibosh by done base, then they will come here and they will have to read all these things there,
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
they are not allowed to conduct interview.
Yeah, yeah,
They
yeah.
will definitely fail. So also, if they are coming and they read here, they study here, so better to learn before and do exam do
By
by
self,
self.
no? Yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is the
And so
good.
also there is also a lot of problems here. As a common man, I am here in the Jubail.
Yes, yes.
So we have also visas problem. There
There
is
very difficulty to get the job
yes,
and too much competition in this field, no? Now lots of
right
safety
now
officer here.
parts of safety officer. Now there is a, if you have complete documents, for example, there here is chamber Ajir,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
these
Lots
two
of
are
document.
mandatory.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
lots of person they didn't know even that what is chamber and what is Ajir. They got a freelance visa and came here,
Came here
but they
after he did know about that. Oh, my company have did not that this type of authority. They did not
yeah,
get
yeah,
the chamber and a zero also. This is
yeah.
as
So sir,
we can call the
this is
small
my
Musasa.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is right. This is my suggestion to all the person if who want to come to Saudi Arabia for
Must
a
check
safety
this type of
officer. So
document.
they come
Yes.
just complete documents. Then you will not be in trouble. If you don't have any document, believe me, if you are how you are competitive person, you will zero here.
Yes, yes. You should have the knowledge, deep knowledge about this field. And if you coming for the freelance visa, you have need to take care about first. You ask to your company, he have Ajir or he have chamber authority. After you will
Yes,
come on this Musasa.
yes, sir. This is very
Otherwise,
mandatory.
yeah, yeah. Otherwise, not come with that Musasa. Means
Yes,
Musasa here we call the company. Arabic language is the Musasa that we call.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Thank you, brother, for attending this interview. You have good knowledge. Try for that good company. You will get, inshallah, in the future. You will get the good company.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank
वेलकम
थैंक यू।
ब्रदर, वेलकम। कुछ भी अगर जरूरत हो तो वैसे ऐसा ही कीजिए, मैं टाइम टाइम पे देखता हूँ, क्योंकि बिजी थोड़ा रहता हूँ इसके वजह से, ठीक है ना। तो
इंशाल्लाह सर।
टाइम मिलता है तो हम देखते हैं,
सर
बट
ये एक
कोई दिक्कत
ड्रीम
नहीं।
थी कि आपके साथ इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करें, इंशाल्लाह
इंशाल्लाह
बाकी।
इंशाल्लाह बढ़िया हुआ, जो भी था अच्छा है, नॉलेज अच्छा है, कॉन्फिडेंस भी अच्छा है, टॉकिंग स्टाइल भी बढ़िया है।
थैंक यू सर।
इंशाल्लाह ट्राई करते रहें, अल्लाह अजर देगा ना।
इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह, थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम ब्रदर, वेलकम।
अस्सलाम।